In this video guys, I will share with you step by step how to open Activobank account. So guys, all you have to do, go to Activobank official website. After that, click open account from the top right corner, as you can see here. And then guys, all you have to do, you see digital mobile key, and this is guys for phone number. If you want to open on your phone number, just scan this QR code option. And if you have guys Portuguese identity, just click get started. If you have already account, click these steps. If you have identity, click get started from here, and make sure guys you have a card for citizens Portugal here, and then click get started. And this is a minimum, that's it, 100 euro for account. So fill this all details guys, your preferred name, for example your name Adam Jonas, and then write your phone number guys, and click I'm not robot. After that guys, when you write your phone number, click continue, and then upload your documentations and identification document such your ID and all document. So this is how you can do guys. It is easy steps. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video for more.